Petition to stop Collins Mnangagwa take over a road in capital city Harare. The 11th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, a petition opposing President Emerson Mnangagwa's son, Collins Mnangagwa, from taking over a road in Harare's affluent highlands suburb has now surpassed 5,000 signatures, signaling growing public anger over the move. The petition challenges the proposed permanent closure of a section of Otto Road, Otto Drive, which links Willowmead Lane to Collins Avenue. After the application was advertised in the Herald on the 2nd of September 2025, in a letter addressed to the town clerk, City of Harare, Department of Urban Planning, Traffic and Transportation, residents and community members lodged formal objections, warning that the closure would rob the public of vital infrastructure. Key grounds of objection include loss of public land. Otto Road is public property, and its closure would strip residents of access to a crucial community asset. Community access and safety. The road is a safe route for pedestrians, school children, domestic workers, cyclists, and joggers. Closure would push vulnerable users onto more dangerous, busier roads. Urban development needs. With Harare's population growing, public spaces and roads will only become more important for future planning and resilience. Equity concerns. Those most affected, women, children, and low-income workers, largely rely on safe non-motorized transport routes. Public interest versus private gain. Residents argue the move benefits private interests at the expense of the broader community. Council has a duty to uphold transparency and protect public assets for the collective good. We therefore respectfully request that the City of Harare reject the application to close and sell the portion of Otto Road. The petition reads, analysts say the growing backlash underscores deep frustrations over elite land grabs and the erosion of public spaces, a trend long associated with political privilege in Zimbabwe.